everyone, welcome back to Eating is a Must. Today I'll be making some pork chops and I decided, you know what? Why not just take you guys along with me and show you how I make my pork chops. So first I have my cleaned pork here. I washed it with some vinegar and now I'm gonna go ahead and season my pork. Now I'm gonna put in all my seasonings. I'm using some allspice or what you call pimento seeds. Then I'll be going in with my adobo seasoning. My garlic powder. Then I'm gonna go in with some cumin, some ginger, some parsley, crushed red pepper, paprika, sage, some cloves, red cooking wine, some Scotch bonnet pepper, Cajun seasoning, some thyme leaves, complete seasoning, oregano, minced garlic, some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, and I'll be using the mild jerk seasoning, not the super spicy one, just the mild one. A little soy sauce, and then I'll be going in and adding my fresh seasoning. For my fresh seasoning, I have some onion, some ginger, some garlic, and some yellow bell peppers. also add in a little bit of sea salt because I like the way sea salt flavors my meat. I'm gonna use my fork, guys, and I'm gonna stick my meat in several places just to help the seasoning to penetrate the meat properly. It's now time to transfer the meat to a foil pan after coating the pan with some olive oil. You're then going to sprinkle your fresh seasoning all over and make sure that you distribute the seasoning evenly in the pan. Now the pan that I had the meat in, I'm going to add just a little bit of water, shake that around, get all those seasonings out of the bottom of the pan, and then you're going to pour that over your meat in the foil pan. Then you're going to cover your foil pan with foil paper and go ahead and place this in the oven. I put mine on 385 degrees and I am going to bake this for, I want to say, about an hour. Now this is my sauce, guys, and what I have in here is some pineapple juice, some parsley, some honey, some barbecue sauce, browning, ketchup, and some butter. After about an hour, guys, this is what a pork is looking like, and I'm just gonna, turn them over so that they can bake evenly on each side. I'm gonna put this back in the oven for maybe another, I want to say 15-20 minutes, because I want to make sure my meat is falling off the bone. And then after that, once the meat is falling off the bone, I'm going to throw my sauce on. Our pork is now out the oven, guys. It's been baking for approximately 2 hours, and I want to say it's all ready, so now it's time for us to sauce it up. So I'm pouring this sauce all over, and then I'm gonna rub it in with my spoon. You can use a brush to rub it in if you want to. I'm just going the quick way, and I'm using my spoon to paste that on, rub it in. Then I'm gonna put it back in my oven, covered for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I want to say 10 minutes, just to get that sauce all cooked, and then we should be good to go. After about 15 minutes covered in the oven, guys, this is what we have. It's already good to go, nice and juicy. I can't wait to dig in. Trust me, it smells so good. I'm smelling that ginger. I can smell the allspice. It smells really good. I just wish you could smell it. So I'm just ready to plate it and dig in. And there you have it, guys. Some delicious oven-baked pork chops. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll try to make it and drop a comment to let me know how it went for you. Mine was definitely tasty. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in my next one.